outfit and this tank top, and we're going to color it like, the sparkly sequins. Okay, nice. And now these shorts, which I think is so identical to hers. I'm wearing the Airsul outfit, and now we're going to do the finishing, and now we're going to do the tanning bed. Yes, as bright as possible. And now for the finishing details. And we're done. I feel laid. This is so good. See you on the runway, guys. Slayed. And by the way, I lost my space, but I couldn't, but then the video stopped, so yes, I slayed.